Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of portable SSDs, specifically for backup and file transfer purposes. These little powerhouses are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They offer a fantastic blend of speed, portability, and reliability. So, let's explore why you might need one and what to look for. First off, what is an SSD? SSD stands for solid-state drive. Unlike traditional hard drives that use spinning platters, SSDs use flash memory. This makes them significantly faster, more durable, and quieter. This speed difference is especially noticeable during file transfers and when booting up your computer. So, why choose a portable SSD for backup and file transfer? Well, the benefits are numerous. Firstly, speed. Portable SSDs are incredibly fast. You can transfer large files, like video files or a complete system backup, in a fraction of the time, compared to a traditional hard drive. Secondly, portability. They're small, lightweight, and easy to carry around. This makes them ideal for anyone who needs to access their data on the go. Thirdly, durability. Because they have no moving parts, portable SSDs are much more resistant to shocks and vibrations. This is a huge plus if you're prone to dropping things or traveling frequently. Finally, they're relatively quiet, unlike older external hard drives that can produce a clicking or whirring sound. Now, let's talk about what to look for when choosing a portable SSD. Capacity is a primary consideration. Think about how much data you need to back up, and how much space you'll need for file transfers. SSDs range in capacity from a few hundred gigabytes to several terabytes. A good rule of thumb is to choose a drive that has more capacity than you currently need, as your data storage needs are likely to grow over time. Next is speed. Look for the read and write speeds. These speeds are usually listed in megabytes per second, or MBs. Higher speeds mean faster file transfers. Interface matters too. Most portable SSDs use either USB 3.0 or USB 3.1. However, the newest generation uses USB 3.2 or even Thunderbolt. USB 3.2 and Thunderbolt offer significantly faster transfer speeds than older standards. Compatibility is also crucial. Make sure the SSD is compatible with your devices. This means checking the USB port type on your computer or other devices. Some SSDs come with both USB-A and USB-C connectors. The build quality should be considered. Look for a durable casing that can withstand some bumps and drops. Some SSDs are even water and dust resistant. Lastly, think about the price. Portable SSDs can vary in price depending on capacity and speed. Compare prices from different brands and retailers to find the best deal. To wrap it up, portable SSDs are an excellent choice for backup and file transfer. They offer a winning combination of speed, portability, and durability. When shopping for one, consider capacity, speed, interface, compatibility, build quality, and price. I hope this review has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of portable SSDs, specifically focusing on their use for backup and file transfer. In today's digital age, data is king, and protecting it is crucial. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves taking photos and videos, a reliable backup solution is a must-have. So, why a portable SSD? Well, traditional hard disk drives, or HDDs, have been the go-to for years. But portable SSDs offer some significant advantages. First off, speed. SSDs use flash memory, which is significantly faster than the spinning platters in HDDs. This means faster file transfers and quicker backups. You can save time and be more productive. Secondly, durability. SSDs have no moving parts, making them far more resistant to drops and bumps. This is a huge plus if you travel or simply want peace of mind. Lastly, size. Portable SSDs are often incredibly compact and lightweight, easily fitting into a pocket or bag. Let's talk about the key features to look for in a portable SSD for backup and file transfer. Capacity is obviously important. Consider your current data needs and plan for future growth. A good starting point is probably 1 terabyte, but you might need more if you have large media files or work with a lot of data. Think about the USB interface. USB 3.2 Gen 2 or Thunderbolt are the best options for fast transfer speeds. Also, check the read and write speeds. Look for speeds of at least 500 megabytes per second. But faster is always better. The enclosure also matters. Consider a rugged design if you want extra protection. Make sure it is compatible with your devices. Most SSDs are compatible with both Windows and macOS, but always double-check. Now, let's discuss some best practices for using your portable SSD. First, backup regularly. Set up an automated backup schedule to ensure your data is always protected. Also, properly eject your drive before disconnecting it. This prevents data loss or corruption. Secure your data. Consider encrypting your drive to protect your files from unauthorized access. Finally, keep your SSD clean and protected. Avoid extreme temperatures and physical damage. There are tons of great portable SSDs out there. Popular brands include Samsung, SanDisk, and Crucial. These brands offer a range of capacities, speeds, and features to meet different needs and budgets. The best choice for you depends on your specific requirements. Consider your budget, storage needs, and the transfer speeds you require. Research different models and read reviews to find the best fit for you. Portable SSDs are excellent for backing up your important files. They are also perfect for transferring files between devices. If you need to quickly move large files like videos or photos, an SSD is your best friend. They're great for storing your video game library and running your games smoothly. Also, they are very useful for expanding your storage capacity. In conclusion, portable SSDs are a game changer for backup and file transfer. They offer speed, durability, and convenience that traditional HDDs can't match. By choosing the right SSD and following best practices, you can protect your valuable data and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.